Hello students, good afternoon. I hope you all are well at home and studying at home. Very soon your half-yearly exams are going to be starting. So be prepared for your half-yearly exam. Okay. So today the topic that we are doing is between numbers. Okay. So after number and before number already we have done, and the last topic is remaining, that is between numbers. So first I will explain you what is between number. First of all, what is the meaning of between? Between मतलब बीच में. Okay, for writing the between number you can write after number also or before number also. Okay, a number that comes between the two numbers is known as between number. Okay, very simple it is. And this is the last topic, and here after doing this topic we have complete our syllabus of term 1. Okay, so let's start today's between numbers. So first I will explain you what is between number. Suppose I will explain you using a number line. Okay, so suppose this is a number line. What is this? This is a number line, and I am writing here some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Suppose I have written 7 numbers from 1 to 7. And if I mark 2 number here, 3 and 5. What number I have marked here? 3 and 5. So which number is between 3 and 5? The number between 3 and 5 is number 4. 3 और 5 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर है? Number 4. So between number of 3 and 5 is 4. Okay. So suppose I am writing here 4, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. Okay. Suppose I have changed this number line into larger numbers. 43, 44, 45 and 46. Okay. And suppose I have written here 42, then dash and 44, and I told you to write between number here. Okay, so between number, which number will come between 42 and 44? Which number will come between 42 and 44 is 43. So you can also write like this also. The number that come after 42 will be 43, and the number that come before 44 is 43. So 43 in between number, that is 43, is after number of 42 and before number of 44 and between number of 42 and 44. मतलब 43 जो है वो 42 का आफ्टर नंबर है and 44 का बिफोर नंबर है. ओके, और 42 और 43 का 42 और 44 का बिटवीन नंबर है. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ बिटवीन नंबर्स. नाउ let's start writing. So first of all of you open your notebook, your book. Open your notebook and take out new page. Take out your pencil, your eraser. Fast. Take out your notebook. We will do writing work. So take out new page and write date here. What is the date? You write this side, date. Okay, and write question. First and second already we have done. The question that we are doing is given on page number 53. Okay, page number 53 in your book. If you want, you can open the book. Page number 53. Open page number 53. Open page number 53. Okay, page number 53. And the question that we are doing is question number 3. So write question 3. Write question 3. And what is the question? Write the W-R-I-T-E. Write the T-H-E, the. Write the number N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Write the number that T-H-A-T, that. Write the number that comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes in between I and in B-E-T-W-E-E-N, that comes in between the given numbers. T-H-E, the, G-I-V-E-N, given numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Write the question fast and copy the question in good handwriting. I will again read the question for you. Write the number that comes in between the given numbers. Copy this question. I will give you a few minutes to write the question fast. Write the question first. Copy from the board. Write the numbers that comes in between the given numbers. This is the question. Okay. So I hope you all have copied the question. So first we will write all the questions. So start writing with me. After writing the question, you drop one box, leave one box, okay, and write A. And write 4, 6, 46. Then here you have to make one box, that is the blank, and write here 4, 8, 48. Write B, 5, 4, 54. Then again leave one box, 5, 6, 56. Write C, 6, 9, 69. Then again one box. Then write 7, 1, 71. D, 2, 9, 29. 3, 1, 31. E, 4, 2, 42. Then again one box. Then okay, so first you copy all the question, then we will solve it. Write all the question first, copy all the questions, then we will solve it. Now let us write the answers. So the number here is 4646 and 4848. So number that comes between 46 and 48 is 4747. 4747. A number that comes after 46 is 47 and the number that comes before 48 is 47 and the number that comes between 46 and 48 is 47. So answer is 4747. Now see what is the next number here. 5454. Then which number will come after 54? 55, 55 and 56, 56. 54, 55 and 56. So write here 55, 55. Now next question 69, 69. Then after 69 which number will come? 69, 70 and 71. So read it 69, 70, 71. So number that comes between 69 and 71 is 7070. So write here 7070. Now move to the next question. What is the next number? 29 and number that comes after 29 is 30. 29, 30, 31. 29, 30, 31. So number that comes between 29 and 31 is 3030. So write 30 in this box, 3030. Okay, now the last equation. So what is the number here? 4242 and 4444. So number that comes between 42 and 44 is 42, 43 and 44. Read it 42, 43 and 44. So copy it fast, then we will do the rest of the questions. Fast write E. Okay, copy it. Now I am rubbing it and writing the next questions. I am rubbing the question also. Till E we have done. We will continue from writing F. Subject maths. Okay, now write E. First copy all the questions. E already we have done. Now write F. 75. Then one box. Then 77. G. 21. Then again one box. 23. H. 41. Then again one box. 43. 43. Then I. 45. 45. Then again one box. And 47. 47. Now last J. 71. Then again one box. Then 73. 71. Then box. Then 73. So first you also copy all the question. Then I will write the answer and you write the answer. Okay? Copy all the question fast. Now let us solve it. So first question, what is the number written here? 7575 and 7777, and the number that comes between 75 and 77 will be 76. 76. Now read it. 75, 76 and 77. You can write after number also of the given number, first number. You can write the after number also of this first number. Okay? You can write the after number also of this first number. So, the first number is 75 and the after number of 75 is 76. Okay? Now, next. 21. The number that come after 21 will be 22. And the last number that is given is 23, 23. 21, 22 and 23. So, write 22 in this box. Written. Okay, now the next question. What is the number? 41, and number that come after 41 is 42, 42 and 43 again given. 41, 42 and 43. Now, what is the next question? 45, and the number that come after 45 is 46. 4, 6, 46 and 47 is again given. Now the last 71, and the number that come after 71 is 72 and 72 is given. You can check your answers like this by reading the number. Okay, एक continuation आना चाहिए when you are writing the answer. 75, 76, 77, 21, 22, 23, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 71, 72 and 73. Write it fast. Write it fast, copy it fast. Now I am writing here some question and you solve this question. Okay. Now you solve this question. Okay. Then I will write the answer and you check it. So first of all of you complete your work till J. Write fast. J तक जल्दी कॉपी करो. Okay, now here I am writing some question. You solve these question. Okay. 89, then box 91, L 78, then box, then 80, M 35, then again one box, then 37, and 18, then again one box, and 20, then last O, 47, then again one box, and 49. Okay, so now you solve these 5 questions, you write the answer, you solve this question. I will give you time to write the question and to write the answer also. Okay, you try to solve this question, you write the answer, then I will write the answer and you check it. Okay, so do it fast. Then I will give you some homework question also. Okay, then I will give you some homework question also, because the questions that given inside the book, in the book, all the questions we have done, but questions are not remaining for homework, so I will give you some extra question. Okay, so first of all you write it, try to solve it. Okay, have you done, all the students done? Okay, now check your answers. All of you have done? Okay, so check your answers. So number that come between 89 and 91 will be 90, 90. Check your answer, and you can read it also like this: 89, 90 and 91. Now the next number is 78 and 80, and the number that come between 78 and 80 will be 79, 79, 78, 79, 80. Okay, now next question, 35. Next number will be 36 and 37. 18, 19, 20. Now the last, 47, 48 and 49. You can read it like this: 89, 90, 91, 78, 79, 80, 35, 36, 37, 18, 19, 20, 47, 48 and 49. Okay, so these are the questions. Now I will give you some homework questions. So what you will do, you will copy homework question from here. Okay, write homework and write question also. Fill in the blank with after, before and between numbers. Fill in the blanks with after, before and between numbers. That means if blank is given before the number, then you have to write the before number, and if blank is given after the number, then you have to write the after number, and if the blank is given between the two numbers, then you have to write the between numbers. So copy the question. Okay, so these are the homework question. These 5 questions are homework question. So copy the homework question first. Fill in the blank with before, after and between numbers. Okay, fill in the blanks with after, before and between numbers. If blank is given before the number, that means here you have to write the before number. If blank is given after the number, that means you have to write the after number. If blank is given between the two numbers, that means you have to write the between number. Okay, so copy it fast. Copy it fast. These 5 questions are homework questions. And dear students, here we have completed our term 1 syllabus. Okay, term 1 syllabus we have completed. Term 1 syllabus completed. Okay, and this is the syllabus for your term 1, that means half yearly exam. The chapters that are coming are chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, the portion that we have done started from the month of June and this much. Okay, this is the syllabus for your half yearly exam, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3, and today we have completed our syllabus. Okay, now there are some revision time exercises given. So from our next lecture, what we are going to do, we are going to do these questions that are given in revision time, exercise revision time, and this worksheet. Only 2 pages are remaining, and this is a revision time that the exercise that is given on page number 54 is a complete questions that we have done in chapter 3. So again we are doing the question that are given in this book also, and some more question I will give you to solve it. Okay, so daily do your math so that you cannot forget it. Okay, and till today it is okay. I hope all of you have copied this question. Okay, so good day and have a nice day. Bye students.